Every year, the world throws away billions of tons of trash. But what if that garbage could actually be turned into millions of dollars? Modern recycling factories use powerful machines and advanced technology to transform waste into valuable raw materials. Plastic bottles end up in landfills and oceans every day. But in recycling plants, their story doesn't end there. Wash, shred, and melt plastic bottles into tiny pellets that are used to create brand new plastic products. Cars, broken machines, and construction debris may look like junk, but for recycling factories, it's extremely valuable. Temperatures above 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, metal melts into glowing liquid and is reshaped into new steel and aluminum products. It is shredded and mixed with water to create a pulp. The pulp is cleaned to remove impurities. It is then pressed into fresh sheets. These are used to make notebooks, boxes, and phones and computers contain valuable metals like copper, gold, and silver that can be recovered through recycling. Used tires are shredded into rubber granules that are reused for roads, playground surfaces, and sports tracks. Recycling doesn't just protect the environment, it has become a multi-billion-dollar global industry. Every time you throw something away, remember, what looks like trash could actually be a valuable resource. Initiating the assembly sequence now.
This one looks good. Moving to inspection.
Final checks complete, all within tolerance.